You can't be eating if you gotta get off the ship. Oh God, it's a connecting room. There's people.
Pastry.
Oh my God. I'm gonna put him over in the window. Did you notice the toilet paper kept falling off? Oh my God. Jim.
Hey, what was that?
Did you mess up?
It was the ship. Did you mess up? Oh, because he's slow.
Yeah, why?
I'm
We had no
sorry.
shows.
Guess what else you're gonna get? That was bad. But it's not bad.
Oh my God, look at the little TV.
What's that sound? What?
Jim. That was not
What are you
nice.
talking about? I said something. It wasn't hard. Excuse me. You guys hear that noise outside? What is that noise?
Jim.
I think I got caught up short.
Fun in the front, food in the back.
That's right. Everyone knows that.
I forgot. Control yourself.
What's going on, guys? That's what's going on.
Oh my God. You know what? Who does that? Jim. I mean, come on.
Well, usually people who are vegetarians aren't big eaters.
No.
There's a growl. Did you hear that growl? I get down to the bottom of that. Segafredo is honestly.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. Shh. I hear one nearby. I can't believe it made that much noise. I didn't expect all that to come out. I was expecting just a little sound. I didn't know it was going to be like that. It was way more air than I was expecting. Video blinder. I didn't do that on purpose. It was an accident. You know what Miami makes me want to do? I apologize. That was an accident.
Oh. Hello.
That was a goose. Every now and then this might happen.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Shh, shh. Did you hear that? Shh. What was
I
that?
don't know, but we have to turn a light
you
on
hear
of
that?
some sort.
It was like someone trying to talk to us. I think it might have been a whale in the water.
Once you take a bag on the beach, it's ruined.
Okay. I just remember that for some reason. Oh, I'm so sorry for that. Thank you, sir.
I mean, is that necessary?
Is this necessary? Like, everyone knows, like, the noises have come out of me on cruise ships, and, like, just knowing. I think that's the problem. Because I don't think it's right. I'm sorry.
It's a celebrity.
That was an accident. No, that gas pains. If you have pains, you gotta let those things out,
No.
guys, please.
Wait.
Wait a minute. 119. What? Oh, yeah. Must be good. Sorry, guys.
Oh my God. Were you holding that in this whole time?
No, I'm embarrassed about it.
Oh my
I didn't know it
God,
was gonna
sorry.
happen.
Thank you so much.
Hold on, shh.
Wait.
Shh. Listen. There was more than I expected in there. I apologize to everyone that had to hear. Claire, call us up. Listen to this.
I mean, oh my God.
There's a little extra tail at the end of that.
Nobody-
We call that a tail feather.
Fail or something. Oh my God. We just.
I'm embarrassed about that. I didn't want to do that. But it hurt.
We have no idea what's happening. Oh my God. I mean, really.
What is going on here?
This is
Yeah, we've just been kind of waiting for the shows.
Michael used to cut, my old boss was but night, yeah, like the falafel tonight.
But that's not a breakfast.
No, I've smelled a lot of fun in this cruise.
Oh yeah, but that was vicious.
Breakfast. I'm excited. Just for good measure. I brought 2 bottles.
I'm thinking about taking it off the ricochet.
Oh my god.
So I just had to go out and crop dust it, okay?
Oh my god.
I don't like to ever pass gas.
You don't? Oh my god. Jim, nobody needs that. I mean, honestly.
How about this?
Jim.
I tried to clip her.
And just for the ladies, I got a little bit open.